Today I will be showing my viewers how to create a Kahoot quiz. First, what you're going to want to do is go to www.kahoot.com. You want to make sure you are typing .com and not .it because .it will launch you to the place where you already put in the access code to a quiz that has already been made. If you do not already have an account, it is very easy and quick to do. In order to make an account, all you would need to do is click Sign Up, it's free in the upper right-hand corner. I already have an account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in. You are going to want to continue with the basic membership since it is the free one. And once you are all logged in, it is ready to start creating your quiz. So you're going to go ahead and click Create in the upper right-hand corner. And as you can see, there are pre-made templates, or you can go ahead and create your own template. So we're going to create our own Kahoot and start blank. As you can see at the top, it is pretty self-explanatory. You can click here to start typing your own questions, and here's also the nice feature of changing the amount of time and the amount of points due to personal preference. I'm going to make a short 5-question quiz about me. So first we'll make the question, what is my name? And here you can add the answers. So there's 4 options, or you can just put 2 if you would like. We can make the options Samantha, Sienna, Sarah, or Savannah. And you're going to want to make sure you click the check mark next to the option that is correct. I'm going to go ahead and click the one next to Savannah since that is my name. And here, if you would like, you can also add pictures or videos. So you can go through Kahoot's library here. You can upload an image from your desktop here, and then here's a YouTube link button so you can upload videos that way. Now we're ready to add the next question. So here on the left, you're just going to press Add Question, and there are different types. So you can put in a quiz, so the one that is like this with the 4 options, true or false, and then these are all premium options if you pay for your account. So we're going to do quiz. And another question, we'll do what is my age? And we'll make the options 19, 20, 21, or 22. And I am 20, so make sure you click the check mark next to the correct answer like we did before. And we'll go ahead and add a 3rd question. We're going to do quiz again. Where do I attend college? We'll make the options Penn State, Slippery Rock, IUP, or Cal U. And I go to Cal U, so we're going to click that check mark. Next, we'll add another question. We'll do true or false this time. So true or false, I have 6 siblings. And here they already have the options, and that actually is true. I do have 6 siblings, crazy as it is. And last question, we'll do a quiz again. What is my favorite class right now? So we'll do EDU 350, EDU 333, Psych 208, and English 101. And obviously my favorite class is EDU 333. Shout out Dr. Hoover. And once you have all your questions inserted, you're just going to press Done. And you can enter a title, press Continue, and it is validating. And yay, the Kahoot is ready to be played. So you're going to press Done, and it'll bring you back to the home page where you can share it. And to share, you just press this button, share, and go from there. And thank you for watching, and I hope you all have fun Kahooting.